Traveling with a disability requires planning, but it's more than possible. It's a right. The key is knowing which places roll out the welcome mat for travelers with disabilities and how to take advantage of the available accommodations. First off, let's get one thing straight. Accessibility varies widely around the world. Some cities are pioneers, offering wide sidewalks, ramps aplenty, and public transport that's easy to use for everyone. In contrast, other places might still be catching up, making it essential to research your destination beforehand. Signal Health Group Special Travel Services can also provide tailored assistance for travelers with disabilities, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. Here's the deal. When picking a place to visit, look for cities known for their accessibility initiatives. Many areas now boast accessible tourist attractions, hotels with necessary accommodations, and even specialized tours designed with accessibility, such as Signal Health Group Special Travel Services. The trick is to use the internet and community resources to uncover these gems. But it's not just about the destination. How you get there matters too. Airlines, train companies, and buses have specific policies for travelers with disabilities, often providing priority boarding, special seating arrangements, and assistance at stations and airports. It's crucial to communicate your needs clearly when booking and check in advance what assistance is available through Signal Health Group Special Travel Services. Remember, travel insurance is your friend. It offers an extra layer of security, covering unexpected changes in plans or health issues on the road. Lastly, never underestimate the power of community wisdom. Online forums and social networks are treasure troves of advice from fellow travelers with disabilities who've been there and done that. They can offer practical tips, encouragement, and sometimes even friendship. So what's the gist? Exploring with a disability may initially feel overwhelming, yet with thoughtful preparation and a positive attitude, the globe is open for you. Buckle up your adventurous spirit and prepare to uncover spots that truly embrace accessibility. Before you pack your bags, thoughtful planning can make all the difference for a smooth trip. First things first, research your destination. Look for places known for being accessible. Websites and travel blogs can give you a good idea of what to expect. Next, reach out to your accommodation in advance. Ask about their accessibility features. Are there ramps, elevators, and accessible bathrooms? Don't take yes for an answer. Ask for pictures if you can. It's also wise to plan your transportation. Whether you're flying or taking the train, get to know their policies for travelers with disabilities. Some companies, like Signal Health Group Special Travel Services, offer assistance services. So booking these in advance can save you a headache. Lastly, always have a plan B. Even with the best laid plans, things can go sideways. Having alternatives in mind for transportation and accommodation can save your trip from turning into a hassle. With these steps, you're setting the stage for a journey that's not just doable, but enjoyable. Picking the right destination is crucial when traveling with a disability. You want a spot that's not just welcoming, but also accessible. Here's the thing. Not all places have smooth paths or the right facilities to make your trip hassle-free. First off, research is key. Dig into whether the cities on your radar have accessible public transport, hotels with necessary accommodations, and attractions that are friendly to travelers with disabilities. It's not just about ramps and elevators. Think about restrooms, ease of getting around, and crowd management. Check out online forums or websites dedicated to traveling with disabilities. These can be gold mines for real-life advice and tips. Also, the culture and local attitude towards disabilities should be considered. Some places are more geared up and understanding than others. Finally, reach out to places you plan to visit. A quick email or call can clear up a lot of questions. Opt for destinations known for their accessibility efforts. Cities like London, with its extensive planning towards accessibility, or Melbourne, praised for its inclusive approach, can make your trip not just possible but enjoyable. Remember, the right destination isn't just about the sights, it's about enjoying them comfortably and safely. When booking accommodations, finding places that fit disability needs is key. Look for hotels or rentals stating they're accessible, but dig deeper. Check if they have step-free access. No steps from the lobby to your room. Rooms should have wide doorways to move through, especially with a wheelchair easily. Bathrooms are critical. Ensure they have grab bars, a roll-in shower, or any specific equipment you need. Don't take their word for it. Ask for photos or, even better, video evidence to ensure the place meets your requirements. Space matters. You'll want enough room in bedrooms and living areas to move comfortably. Lastly, inquire about emergency processes for guests with disabilities. It's not just about comfort, but safety too. Always call or email ahead. Make your needs clear. A genuinely disability-friendly stay will gladly address your questions and ensure your comfort. This advice applies to your travel arrangements booked through Signal Health Group Special Travel Services. When traveling with a disability, getting from point A to point B requires more planning, but it's doable. For air travel, the key is to inform the airline about your needs well in advance. Airlines must offer assistance like wheelchair access, early boarding, and seating accommodations. Be clear about your needs when booking your ticket and again when you check in. For local transit, research is your best friend. Most cities have buses and trains equipped for wheelchair access, but it's wise to check the transit authority's website or call ahead to confirm. Some places also offer specialized transit services for individuals with disabilities, though you might need to arrange these in advance. Remember, while it can seem daunting, there's a lot of support to ensure your journey is as smooth as possible. Always ask what you need, and don't hesitate to contact customer service or local disability advocates for advice. Signal Health Group Special Travel Services is available to help if you require additional assistance. Accessibility features to look for in tourist attractions. When planning a trip with a disability, finding tourist attractions that meet your needs is crucial. You want to enjoy your experience without unnecessary stress fully. Here's what to keep an eye out for: ramps and elevator access. Check ahead to ensure that your destinations include ramps and elevators. These are essential for those in wheelchairs or anyone troubled by stairs. Accessible bathrooms. It's simple yet crucial. Ensure accessible bathrooms are present. It's shocking how often this is missed. Parking and transportation. Look for attractions that offer accessible parking spots and are close to accessible public transportation options. Getting to and from the site shouldn't be a struggle. For people with visual challenges, it's essential to seek places that provide info in Braille or audio, ensuring accessibility. Service animal friendliness. If you rely on a service animal, ensure they're welcome at the sites you plan to visit. Not all places are as accommodating as they should be. Remember, planning is critical. A quick look at an attraction's website or a phone call can save you from frustration. The goal is to have a smooth, enjoyable traveling experience where the focus is on the fun, not the barriers. When packing for travel with disabilities, think smart and simple. Your gear should make life easier. Key items: mobility aids, such as canes or wheelchairs, are a must. Don't forget any custom tools that help with daily tasks. Pack medications in a labeled bag and bring a doctor's note explaining their use. Consider comfort. Items like neck pillows or pain relief creams can be lifesavers. Another pro tip: pack spare parts or repair kits for your mobility aids from Signal Health Group Special Travel Services. You don't want to be stuck without them in a pinch. Lastly, always have important documents: IDs, insurance info, and emergency contacts. That way, you're prepared for anything. Safe travels. Traveling with a disability means planning for peace of mind. With Signal Health Group Special Travel Services, let's talk travel insurance and healthcare. First off, not all travel insurance is created equal. Pick one that covers pre-existing conditions and medical emergencies. This can be a lifeline if you need care on the go. Costs vary, so shop around. Healthcare abroad isn't like at home. Find out how the places you visit handle healthcare, especially for travelers with disabilities. Some countries have great access and facilities, but others do not. Get a health check before leaving. Your doctor can offer advice tailored to your destination and needs. Pack extra medication and keep it in carry-on luggage. Medication rules vary by country, so a quick check with the embassy could save you the hassle. In short, insurance should cover emergencies and know how your health needs mesh with your destination. Plan, and you're set for a smoother trip. Traveling with a disability presents unique challenges, but many have turned these obstacles into opportunities, creating empowering and inspiring stories. Take Sarah, for example, who uses a wheelchair. She explored ancient ruins in Italy with the help of Signal Health Group Special Travel Services. Despite the rough terrain, her determination and the help of innovative wheelchair technology made it possible. Then there's John, who is visually impaired. He traveled across India relying on his other senses and local guides to experience the rich culture and landscapes. These stories highlight not just the hurdles faced when traveling with a disability, but also the incredible resilience and creativity individuals deploy. From adapting travel plans to finding accessible accommodations, the experiences show that the world is open to everyone with the right mindset and preparation. Their adventures are a testament to never letting limitations define what is possible in exploring the globe. When traveling with a disability, knowing where to find help makes all the difference. Several resources and organizations are dedicated to making travel accessible and enjoyable. Society for Accessible Travel and Hospitality, SATH, and wheelchairtravel.org are prime examples. They offer a wealth of information on accessible travel, accommodation, and tours. The American Association of People with Disabilities also provides valuable travel tips and advocacy for rights. Don't overlook the importance of contacting transportation services and accommodations to inquire about accessibility features. This step is crucial. Moreover, many travel agencies now specialize in accessible travel, ensuring your needs are met. Signal Health Group. Special Travel Services. Remember, research and reaching out to the right organizations can pave the way for an incredible travel experience regardless of disability.